taking that school from a point of, oh no, what are we going to do, to helping them understand that even despite these uncertain times, there are things within our circle of control that we can do to pave a better path forward.
That is Dr. Brandi Kelly, former superintendent, 2-time Principal of the Year, and leadership coach. When she stepped into a struggling middle school during the height of the pandemic, she focused first on people by helping a school move from uncertainty to shared ownership by centering leadership on human connection.
Students who have learning disabilities are just as intelligent as any other student. The teacher's challenge is to find the way that they learn best and untap that hidden potential within them.
Today, she shares how small, intentional actions like meeting students and families where they are can remove barriers, build trust, and accelerate achievement in ways systems alone never can. By the end of this conversation, you'll learn how student-centered leadership helps overcome academic, emotional, and cultural obstacles, even during moments of crisis, and how clarity, calm, and connection can unlock potential in both students and staff. I'm Dr. Matthew Flippen, and this is Transformational Educators.